So the units in my game were pretty OP. With that, I mean that once the unit is spawned, it can gather resources, stray around, reveal the fog, and then mysteriously find some new resources to collect. I find that was a little bit off, and I think one unit just needs to have one and just a single purpose. So for this, I introduced another unit which is called the Explorer. With that, other units like, for example, the Astro Wood Gatherer just solely focuses on gathering the trees. You see it here, but you see if the area is cleared, it does not search for other trees. Therefore, we have another card which is the Explorer, which basically is now able to reveal the fog. And once you just saw it there, the unit sees a new tree or a new resources, it walks straight up to this new area. I think this system makes the game a little bit more interesting because you don't have a unit which can do basically everything. One thing to mention is that the Explorer unit just finds a random walkable spot on the whole world side. So it is also possible that it strays back to a place you already discovered. So it might make sense to upgrade them to have more of them. You just saw here that the end screen now pops up even though I got a unit in my hand. Is that a new bug I created? No. I thought of it as like a quality of life feature because the game idea is to collect resources and to gather items, to build stuff, to go to the other sides of the world and to explore the whole planet. As the Soldier and the Explorer card do not really gather resources, they won't fulfill the goal of the game. So with that I mean, if I place a stone unit here and a wood unit here, we will have to wait until both of them are not on the planet anymore. And if they're dead, they are the Explorer and also the Soldier in the hand because they won't gather resources for you. This is mainly for one case because let's pretend I just have two cards left, which is the Explorer on this one and the Soldier on this one. This is the gameplay. Nothing really happens. The Explorer strays around and searches new resources and the Soldier just stands there, which is not that interesting. So it was a quality of life feature to end the game early. Another thing I changed is that you now have items, which is this wood block, this coal block and this stone block, for example. Before you had some resources there like the tree or the apple tree or the gold ore, but I think that doesn't make much sense because you're gathering the items from the resource objects instead of the resource objects themselves, right? So I think that makes much more sense also for my future plans. So if you place a wood unit here, you see you get some wood blocks instead of the tree, and I think this is much more interesting than gathering the resource itself. Yep, and that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button. If you don't like the video, then please hit the dislike button and comment down below what I can do better, and we will see us in the next video. Bye.